Just, he's gonna attack it. Well, stop.
Nita.
Just set it still. He won't bother. If you set it still, he won't bother it.
Pushing it.
He'll leave it alone. Hold it up in the air. Just hold it up.
Oh, he got his lip meat. Stop! Here, have it. Just have it. Here, let me eat my Skittles. Here, have it.
Don't put it by my toe. Nito, you're a psycho dog. Stop it!
Ooh, we got a good time.
Nito, that rake's done nothing to you, son.
What did you put in there? It's burning fast.
I don't know.
Look at it.
I know, try and sweep. Oh,
He's going to poke his eye.
I know.
You have a dog with an eye patch.
stop! What is wrong with you? Oh my God, he doesn't want me to have it. See, he's fine as long as I'm not holding it.
Come on, let's go jump. Come on.